This is another video to introduce the S531 working together with the leak management software LMS. First we need to activate the LMS mode on the instrument under device setting. If S531 is used in the LMS mode, we also need to establish a WAN connection in order to download site information and upload survey results. Please navigate to the wireless LAN setting to establish a Wi-Fi connection. Enter your login credentials and LMS domain name and click the login button to log in to LMS. Now you will see both the download and upload menus. Click the download menu to view the projects assigned to your account. Only new or in progress projects will be shown here. Select the project name and click download. After the project is downloaded successfully, click Site Information to view the project information. We assume you have watched the non-LMS mode video, as most of the step and operation in the LMS mode are the same. LMS mode just adds further record information into the recordings for a more complete survey. When the survey has been started and you record a leak with photos and voice recordings, you can add the following further information to the leak record. In order to specify a detailed location and to sort losses, we can identify the leak location by specifying the department, workplace, and machine name. All these descriptions must have been downloaded beforehand from the LMS. In the next step, we are able to categorize the leak by specifying a category to the part that is leaking, naming the leak part, and specifying a leak cause. It is also helpful to add repair information to the leak record by the technician, such as estimated repair time, action to be taken to fix the leak. Select repair or replacement of the leaking part. If you select replacement, you can additionally enter the part information, manufacturer and part descriptions, which might include further specifications, such as size of the part, voltage if it's an electrical part like a valve. If none of the selections applies, just skip them. Finally, you enter the quantity of the spare part and complete the leak recording operation. As you might not need all of the recording items mentioned before, you can navigate to Survey Settings, then Record Option Setting, and find a list of recording items. Here you can activate only those items you require. As described in the other video, you can view and modify your recordings anytime by pressing the Leaks button. The operation is straightforward and already explained in the previous video. To upload the leak records to LMS, please make sure your Wi-Fi connection is established. Then log in and click Upload Survey, select the project status, in progress or completed before clicking the Upload button. It might take minutes to upload your records depending on the size of your data. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for further videos where the function of the leak management system is explained.